How to open an account on Suncorp Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open an account on Suncorp Bank. So to do that, first of all, open the Suncorp Bank app on your mobile device and simply tap on the option apply now. Now once you've done that, you'll have to choose your account type. So it can be an everyday account or a savings account. So simply choose the account you'd like to open. After that, check the eligibility requirements such as be an Australian citizen or permanent resident, 18 years or older, etc. So once you're okay with that, tap on the option continue. Then you'll have to enter details such as your full name, your date of birth, mobile number and your email address. Tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to verify your identity. So you'll have to choose one of these three options such as your driver's license, your passport or your Medicare card. Now once you've entered your details and verified your identity, tap on the option continue. Then you'll have to set up your account preferences such as e-statements, debit card, card delivery address, etc. And then once you tap on the option continue, you will have successfully submitted an application and will be able to open a bank account. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.